Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are starting off your Sunday with me. For you, my first time viewers that are joining me for the very first time, welcome to Smoothie Fun Day. Guys, today I'm making another delicious smoothie, healthy, nutritious, so much health benefit to it. Amazing. Today I'm making turmeric smoothie. Now, I love turmeric so much because turmeric does so much for me. I take the tea all the time. I drink the tea with my almond milk. I drink it with, with honey. I love taking turmeric milk. Turmeric helps prevent cancer. It also, if you drink turmeric for an entire year or every 6 months, it helps to flatten the tummy. I love turmeric. It does so much for the face, heal the skin. I love turmeric. So today it was like, why not have some turmeric smoothie, right? Now let me begin by showing you all my ingredients for today. Guys, these are all my ingredients to make my amazing turmeric smoothie. I have banana, I have ginger, and ginger and turmeric, they're cousins. They're from the same line, they're cousins. I have protein powder to just bring some taste, and my collagen that I've never left out. And you know where to get my collagen already. I purchased this off Amazon. Of course, my almond milk. Never left it out as usual. I love using almond milk in my smoothies. Pineapples, love pineapples. So these are so all health benefit things here, right here. Pineapple is so good for your skin. It's heal you up. If you're doing surgery or after surgery, take pineapple. Turmeric, oh my gosh, turmeric helps lower your cholesterol, get rid of acne from your face. Some turmeric powder with honey, put that on your face for a couple of minutes, then take it off maybe 5-10 minutes, wash it off, it clear your acne out. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. There's so much in turmeric. Love turmeric. And ginger is the same thing with your cousins. So this is a whole work. So the most amazing smoothie fun day, Sunday smoothie fun day today. Okay guys, so time to start make this delicious smoothie. Now I'm just going to use 2 scoops my protein powder. If you don't have protein, you could use honey, because I love honey as well. I use 3 scoops. That's how much I love my collagen. This have spice to it, because ginger bring you that spice along with turmeric, so it is sweet and tasty, delicious, but you want to get that spice to it. So if you like spicy, this amazing smoothie is for you. This is so tasty with the spice to it. It's perfect. I'm in smoothie heaven. You guys, you have to make this, and when you make this, please let me know that you make this. I love when you guys make things and let me know that you made it. That's the way you communicate with me. And if you have a request, you want to request something for me to make, remember to just leave me a comment below and I will make it just for you. This smoothie is from me to you, so please make this. This is packed with so much health benefit for your body, your hair, your skin, everywhere, your entire organs. How to make this smoothie. And guys, if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It will make me really happy. And give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and share my videos with your friends until they hit the subscribe button on my channel. Guys, I cannot wait to see you in my next video. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys for appreciating me and tuning in each week. Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, or Wednesday on my videos. I'm delighted. I am so delighted. And I will see you in my next video. Ta-da.